Hello. Today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you, of course. Today let me introduce you this here. The NC Sign AI Translation Earbuds. In real time. With 164 languages and accents. It's audiophoners, traductors, English, Espanol, Russian, German, and Chinese, and so on. You can translate this direct. It's IPX7 waterproof and 10-minute fast charge. With Bluetooth 5.0, this open ear translator earbuds are compatible for our iOS system and our Android smartphone. Of course, it's not only a translator, it's also to hear sounds, to hear music, to make calls, receive calls, make calls, and so on. We can break language barriers instantly with AI, artificial intelligence powered translation across 164 languages in just 0.5 seconds. And we have a lifetime free app access with no login or a subscription. The language translator earbuds are in real time are ideal for travel, for business trips, and multilingual communication. Switch seamlessly between the free talk, the video call, photo translation, AI chat, and more. These real-time translation earbuds are perfect for meetings, for travel, or daily use. We can first step, of course, we can pair it as shown in that video by using a direct Bluetooth compatibility with your smartphone. Okay, that's easy. That's old school, baby. Get out the earbuds out of the case, then go into your smartphone, go to the Bluetooth connection and go to pair mode. And then, of course, the A12 Pro should be shown there. And you can then go and make a pairing process. After you paired each other, job's done. Then you are using such an devices here like your earbuds. That means you have a headset with you. If you additionally use the app, which you can download for free out of the App Store and the Android or Google Play Store, then you can use this headset with the help of the app to make a translation in real time, for example. This translation earbuds seamlessly integrate 3 essential functions into one sleek device. We enjoy high-fidelity music streaming, crystal clear phone calls, and an instant translation, all with a simple touch. The intuitive touch controls let us effortlessly switch between these modes, adjust the volume, play and pause, music, answer and end calls. Built to endure sweet rain and spells with the IPX7 waterproof certification. These language translator earbuds are perfect for workouts, travel, or daily adventures. Facing unexpected magnetic interferences, the one click with a button instantly repairs the earbuds, maintaining a stable connection for uninterrupted calls and music too. And we can charge it in 10 minutes for up to 75% battery power. 4 hours of use is then possible. The 600 mAh charging case refills our earbuds with each 70 mAh each 5 times, delivering 36 hours of a total playtime. Dual LED screens tracks AI translator earbuds and case the battery life. Noise cancellations mix ensure crystal clear calls. That's perfect for long trips. And Indulge in ultimate comfort with this ultra lightweight open ear ergonomic design. The soft silicone hook ensures secure and snug fit. This allows to wear the earbuds for extended periods without any discomfort. The translation earbuds in real time delivers immersive bass and rich detailed sound, enhancing our audio experience and our translation experience. Forever free AI translation earbuds. This breaking down barriers and connect the world each other together. 144 languages. These are 98% of accuracy, and the response time should be in half seconds. AI translation, super fast charging for 10 minutes. You provides 4 hours of battery life, and we can make a good job with 74 languages and 70 accents. IPX7 waterproof, sweatproof level. So this is good for travel. This is good for business trips. This is good for translation, and it's also good for hear music, for make calls, get calls, answer calls, and use it as an smart and fast connectable ear stuff for music, for calls, and on top for translation. Really cool, really nice. This is the Cithane translation earbuds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Dun dun.
Hallo, hallo, wie geht es dir heute?
你好，你好，今天感觉怎么样？
Was gibt's Neues bei euch?